Yeah, hi guys. Let's dive into a brief story about this lovely bird called Ayekooto. Why a Odidere is oftentimes called Ayekooto in Yoruba. From time immemorial, the Yoruba language has taken in a lot of nature into the building bricks of linguistic structures. In the same vein, the Yoruba have remarkable love for comparative descriptions of nature around them in form of opposites. African grey is known as Odidere, oftentimes called Ayekooto. In Yoruba, the name is indeed a thoughtful one. Ayekooto means the word rejects the truth. How forthright in ocean, the Yoruba believe that the man who held to the truth may not have common mats to sleep on. The name in Ayekooto shows that the Yoruba may have had forgotten story behind the name of this beautiful bird. The story is told of the time that animals speak the language of man. A farmer was enticed by the lorikeet and he brought in the bird to stay with him. The lorikeet speaks and understands the language of man, so she goes and comes back with the man each time of the day. One fateful day, a buffalo belonging to the neighbor of the farmer wandered to the farm of the lorikeet keeper. The farmer killed the buffalo, he smoked part and cooked part of it, and also keep what remains away in the farm. Not long after, the true owner of the buffalo came to the farm and asked his neighbor if his buffalo has wandered around his farm. Okay, let's continue. No was the answer. Then the lorry kid began to talk. My master slayed the buffalo, he cooked some and smoked the rest. He hid part away down there. The owner of the buffalo summons the farmer to the king's palace. After part of the meat was found where the lorikeet described, the lorikeet argued that his master killed the buffalo stew, and the farmer asked that he be given a brace to defend himself the next morning. That night, the farmer took in the lorikeet and covered its cage whilst the bird was sleeping. He covered it with a wrapper to make it look dark, and then he began to sprinkle water drip down on the lorikeet. He intermittently hit at the metal, giving the lorikeet an impression of rain and thunder. The lorikeet indeed woke up and observed its environment. In the morning, the king was seated and all the community was with them. They want to see how the case at hand ends, with the lorikeet being the principal witness. After the lorikeet has retreated its line, the farmer said, people, are you going to condemn me on the allegation of this unfortunate death? The farmer asked. If so, ask the bird what kind of night were had last night. So the king asked likewise, and the response of the lorikeet was that the rain fell and the thunder struck all night. Then the farmer said, is it on the account of this unfortunate thing that you condemn me? At this time, the judge set the farmer free and banished the lorikeet from living among men, lest it would sow discord capable of setting people apart. As the bird flew into the forest, it came across African grey parrot and found out that parrots can talk the language of man. Oh, I see, you too can speak the language of man. The lorikeet says, man will find you and take you in, but never should you speak your own mind if you must cohabit with mankind. Only mimic whatever he says. And not many days afterwards, man found that the parrot too could talk. They took home the bird. It never says its minds, only repeats few words that man says to it when people ask why it never talks like the lorikeet. Odidere's only words were Ayekooto. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my little story.